Welcome back to next lecture, students. Today I will explain you the second part of the paper. In class 9th and 10th we have writing section. In writing section, what topics you have to learn? That are notice writing, article writing, debate writing, speech writing, advertisement, poster writing, report writing, letters, formal and informal letters, letters to the editor and invitations, situation based informal letters, short stories, factual and descriptive writing. Letters are of two types, formal and informal letters. What are the formal letters? Formal letters are written to authorities, newspaper editors, executives and business firms. Informal letters are written to relatives, friends, acquainted people, etc. Now we should learn about what are the purpose of writing a letter. The purpose of writing a letter is to make polite complaint or to reply to invitations and reminders, to announce a function or to advise, criticize or appreciate, to share one's thoughts, feelings and news of the family. The guidelines which we have to follow when we are writing informal letters or personal letters, we use an informal tone, use simple and natural style, language is easy and clear. When we are writing informal letter, we have to keep these things in our mind. Okay, now when we are writing official or formal letters, what things we have to keep in mind? That are, while writing a formal letter, bear in mind the following points. Be straightforward and to the point. Be polite and formal. Do not use intimate greeting or contracted forms of words. Now let us see one example of informal letter. You are Varun. Your friend Mohit passed the annual examination with good marks. Write a letter to congratulate him. Now, what are the points that you have to keep in mind when you're writing the informal letter? First of all, you have to write sender's address. Sender's address should be at the left hand side. Leave one line and write the date. And leave one line once again and write the salutation. If you're writing a letter to your friend, then you can write Dear Mohit. After that, you should start with the content or the body. You should write like, I hope this letter is mine finds you in the best of health and high spirit. First of all, we have to ask about the health. Then we should write, I am thrilled to know that you scores first position in the class. All this is the result of hard work put in by you. This occasion calls for a celebration. My parents also send their good wishes. Heartiest congratulations once again. At last, when you are ending or closing, your regards to the elder ones. And in the last, once again, you should write closing words like yours sincerely, your faithfully, your friends, and then your name, sender's name, okay, which is given in the question. So this is very simple and very easy to write the formal letter. And next we will learn about how to write the notice. So let's learn about the notice writing. Students, notice writing is a very important part of writing skill. Today we will learn how to write a notice. The format of notice is that always we have to write notice in a box. We have to draw a box and then in middle of the box here we have to write the name of organization which is issuing the notice, and it should be in capital letter. Below this we should write the keyword notice. It is also in capital letter. Like this we have to write it. Then below this at the left hand side we should write date, and just below this in the middle you should write the heading of the notice about which we are going to write the notice. And just below this we have to write the body or the content, and it should be in 50 words only. It should not be more than 50 words, otherwise you will face the negative marking. Then when you finish your body, your contents, you should write, put your signature here and your name and your designation. And either if it is given in the question, name and designation of a person, you should write that only. So let's begin. We will write a notice. I will start. You should also keep a pen and notebook with you. You should also write with me. See, the question will be given to you like this. As you are Mukund Goyal, the school captain of BR School Bikaner, write a notice in not more than 50 words inviting all the class monitors to attend a meeting about the celebration of Basant Panchami. Event the necessary details and put the notice in a box. This is also given here. Maybe it will not given there that you should write the notice in a box, even though you have to write notice in a box. So let's start. First of all, you have to draw a box, and in that box at the center you should write the name of the organization which is issuing the notice, that is the school's name which is given in the question, and it should be in capital. Then just below this in the middle you should write the keyword notice. It should be also in capital letter. Then below this at the left hand side you should put the date. If date is not mentioned in the question paper, then you should write the date on which you are giving your examination. Then just below this in the middle you should write heading of the notice. It should be in capital letter. Celebration of Basant Panchami. Then below this you should write the body or content about which you are writing the notice. So here we should write, this is to inform you that a short meeting is going to be held in a school auditorium sharp at 12 p.m. about the celebration of Basant Panchami program. All the class monitors are invited to attend the meeting. They are requested to bring a diary along with them. It is to be mentioned whenever you call someone for the meeting, mention that they should bring the diary along with them. Then at last you should write the venue where the meeting is going to be held, is school auditorium. Then below that mention your sign and name and designation. Who is issuing the notice, he should write his designation also. Okay, so these all things are mentioned in your question, so same you have to write here. And at last you should close the notice once again, and in this way you should complete your notice. So it is very simple, students. Once you do practice, and then it will be very helpful for you. Now students, you learn how to write a notice. I am giving you one question. You try yourself if you are able to write the notice. You are Gaurav Kapoor, a student of St. Thomas School, Bhopal. You have lost your badminton racket somewhere in school campus. Draft a notice giving the detail of the racket and requesting the finders to return it to you. Do not use more than 50 words and put your notice in box. It is given in here. So students, just try and let me know in comment section if you are able to write the notice. Thank you. Bye-bye.